Can't remember your Apple ID password and want to find out what it is without resetting it? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to see your Apple ID password on iPhone. Now let's get started. To see your Apple ID password on your iPhone, first open the Passwords app. Unlock the app with Face ID or your device passcode. Then tap All. Select Apple. Then tap Password to view the password for your Apple ID account. You can copy the password from here if needed, or share it using AirDrop. That's all it takes to see your Apple ID password on iPhone. Need to see your Wi-Fi password? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.